Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to delete everything from mail in Dropbox. So get started. At first open your desktop. Now you can see delete everything from mail Dropbox. Now going to the Chrome browser. Now select. Now you can see then show new interface and click from Gmail option. Now open the Gmail. Now going to the draft box. Now click. Now you can see then draft box everything delete. Now select from all. Now click delete. That it's. Now you can see delete all, everything delete. Mail draft box in Gmail is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.